All hands on deck, we've run afloat. I hear the captain cry, explore the ship, replace the cook, let no one leave alive. Across the streets, around the hall, how far can sailors fly? The twisted bed, our tortured hearts, and no one left alive. She sailed for parts unknown to men, where ships come